back to episode Life Made Easy, and today I want to just do a brief short video on the #1 best phone you should be buying in 2019. So let's just hop right into it. Guys, Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus is hands down the best value phone you can get. I'm talking about when I say best value, I mean best price to like quality ratio. This is such a quality device that came out last year. It didn't even come out long ago, only last year's flagship device that Samsung released, and it still holds up today, and I'm going to tell you why. And that's because it's a flagship Samsung. Samsung makes the best screens on the market, hands down. You can't complain about that. That's like a fact, basically. Super AMOLED display. You can adjust the resolution on it. You can do HD, Full HD, and Quad HD, so whatever you want. It's got a glass back, wireless charging, and my favorite feature, which isn't even a feature on the phone, is the price. The price on this is like so cheap on eBay right now, and you can pick this up on Amazon too for really cheap as well. Look at this, look at these prices. A lot of these, some even in the 200s, mostly 300 to 400 range, like practically brand new. It's insane. Guys, this phone is so nice, and it's got a Snapdragon 845 processor. That processor is a beast, and I've seen several people discuss this, that the processor holds up today, which is nice. Usually Samsung phones lag after a year or two that they're out. This one has stayed consistent, and it's still speedy, and it also has the One UI software update, which is boosted performance and battery life even more, which is making this an even better value today. So guys, just look at this. It comes in gold, comes in lilac purple, coral blue, and then midnight black. So a bunch of nice clean colors, as you can see here. And you can also select what network you want, color. Gold is usually out of stock because that's so popular. Storage capacity starts at 64 gigs, which is absolutely plenty. And then you can select what quality you want. So pristine, very good. And you can pick this up for brand new as well on eBay. You just have to pay slightly more, but you could still get this for under 300, practically mint condition. So here are all the specs, guys. I don't need to go through the specs. I've talked about this. Octa-core processor, 5.8-inch Super AMOLED display. I think you can't find a phone that's better at this price, because this device is competing with those mid-range devices like the Pixel 3a and stuff like that. And since this is last year's flagship, I believe that old flagships are always better than newer mid-range phones, just because the processor and the camera is usually always solid. So yeah, that's going to basically be it for this video, guys. 4 gigs of RAM, Android 9.0 Pie, super solid. So yeah, guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope you leave your comments down below on your thoughts on this phone, and if you think there's a better value phone out there. If you do, just let me know in the comments. And if you guys are new here, subscribe to our notifications. Follow me on my social media. Go check out my merchandise store linked below. And also, go subscribe to my second channel known as Gaming Made Easy. That's going to be linked below as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.